What it do is your boy Squeezy Jibs. Alright, so my email's been blowing up all damn day with people saying, "Oh, Squeezy, you need to make a Coney 2012 video." Alright, so here it is. It's all a bunch of bullshit. Ooh, you didn't expect me to say that, did you? Now, I got no problem getting behind someone that wants to remove a mass murder that makes kids shoot their own parents. Shit, I'd kill Coney myself if I had the chance. Actually, probably just had his army chop my arms off before I could do anything, but that's not the point. The point is this: that part of the world is fucked up, homie. It is fucked. That shit's been going on long before Coney showed up, and it's gonna continue long after he's gone. Shit, you talking about a part of the world where they hunt down and kill albino people and feed them to rich people because they think it's gonna give them health benefits. You talking about a part of the world where they rape babies because they think it's going to cure their AIDS. Shit, homie, you talking about a part of the world where the government is trying to pass a law that makes it illegal to be gay, and the penalty is death. God damn, death, homie. Just because you want to get a blowjob from someone you can play football with afterwards. And you don't believe me? Look it up right now. It's all there. And the last part is actually a law that they're trying to pass, because the government that we going in there to help is just as fucked up as the people that they're trying to chase out. It's rotten to the core, homie. Oh, is that the truth siren? No, it's not, because I got more truth to drop on y'all. Now, I'm not saying we shouldn't be good people and try to help out, but that brings me to my second point. My generation is the laziest generation in history. Oh, wait, we're not. Because the generation coming up is even fucking lazier. Now, I know y'all think you're doing some damn good Samaritan shit by watching a 30-minute video that some hipsters made about how terrible it is in Uganda right now, which, don't get it twisted, it's pretty damn bad over there. But guess what? Clicking like on Facebook doesn't make you a good person. As a matter of fact, being a good person takes a lot of damn hard work. And unfortunately, most of us in this generation don't give a shit about hard work. Now, I get what they're trying to do, raise awareness and get this guy out. But like I said, that's pretty much like trying to take care of an ant problem by focusing on one ant that doesn't even really hang around the nest anymore. So why is any of this a problem? Let me tell you something. This video is just as much about Coney and the invisible children as it is about you and me. You say you want to make a difference. Do you? Or do you just want to look like you make a difference? That is the question that you got to ask yourself. And you know what? Chances are you'll give yourself the easy answer that you just want to hear. But hey, that's just our generation. Just enough work to make us look cool on Facebook. And that is a motherfucking truth siren. Ooh!